Turn off your engine and set the parking brake. In this video, we'll show you how to safely lift the front and back of your Dodge Ram 1500 using standard lifting tools. You will simply need a jack, a pair of jack stands. Your Dodge Ram 1500 must be on level, smooth ground. You must be on ground where your truck will be balanced, where the jack stands cannot slip, and especially where your jack can accompany the movement of the truck at the same time as it lifts it. First of all, if the operation requires removing the wheels, start by loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. For front lifting, insert the jack under the vehicle at door level and rest on the frame rail, which is a solid base for lifting, then securing your vehicle in complete safety. Place the jack stand under the frame rail. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. You can now remove the wheel if needed. For safety, slip it under the vehicle as additional protection. If you need to lift both sides of your Ram 1500, repeat the steps for the other side. To put your Ram 1500 back on the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the wheel hub if necessary, and retighten the nuts until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your Ram 1500 until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. Finalize the tightening of the wheel if necessary. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. For rear lifting of your Dodge Ram 1500, you can place the jack under the differential, which has the advantage of lifting both sides simultaneously. You can place the jack stand under the rear axle. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. To lower the back of your Ram 1500 to the ground, reposition the jack and raise your Ram 1500 until you can remove the jack stand. Then, gently lower your vehicle to the ground. You can now safely perform many of the operations on your Ram 1500. Operation complete.